What's inside the Black Skin Bible, you wonder? This isn't a beauty book. It's a skin blueprint. Every page is receipts, no rumors, no recycled advice, because black skin deserves its own science, not just a section. You know what I'm talking about. From myths they sold us to ingredients that actually work for us. I built this to decode what the industry never cared to explain. You'll see pages that talk back to old school don't use actives talk, to the idea that glow equals greasy. Okay, to every lazy label that treated our tone like a trend. Each ingredient, each myth, each fact, written like your skin syllabus, and I'm your professor. If Skincare 365, if you don't know, now you know, that's the other book I wrote, available on whoknewit.com and on Amazon. If that was about building a habit, the Black Skin Bible is about breaking the system. Because now we finally speak our own skin language.